Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Kat. Welcome to the 2000 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is bagahe, luggage, bagahe, bagahe, luggage. Magbiyahe na may bagahe. Travel with luggage. Magbiyahe na may bagahe. Benda, bandage. Benda, benda. Bandage. Balutin ng benda. Wrap with bandage. Balutin ng benda. Pasyente, patient. Pasyente, pasyente. Patient, pasyenteng may sakit. Sick patient, pasyenteng may sakit. Departamento, department. Departamento, departamento. Department. Lahat ng nasa departamento ay dumalo sa pulong. Everyone in the department attended the meeting. Lahat ng nasa departamento ay dumalo sa pulong. Accountant, accountant. Accountant, accountant. Accountant. Lisensyadong accountant. Licensed accountant. Lisensyadong accountant. Abogado, lawyer. Abogado, abogado. Lawyer. Abogado sa hukuman. Lawyer in a courtroom. Abogado sa hukuman. Sahod, wage. Sahod, sahod. Wage. Pinakamababang pasahod. Minimum wage. Pinakamababang pasahod. Piano, piano. Piano, piano. Piano. Grand piano. Grand piano. Grand piano. Flight number. Flight number. Flight number. Flight number. Flight number. Flight number 345. flight number 345. Flight number 345. Agricultura. Agriculture. Agricultura. Agricultura. Agriculture. Produkto ng agrikultura. Agriculture product. Produkto ng agrikultura. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Filipino, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say luggage? Bagahe. Bagahe. And how to say bandage? Benda. Benda. What about patient? Pasyente. Pasyente. Do you remember how to say department? Departamento. Departamento. Let's try accountant. 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 What about lawyer? Abogado. Abogado. Now, let's see if you remember how to say wage. Sahod. Sahod. Another one. What about piano? Piano. Piano. Do you remember how to say flight number? Flight number. Flight number. And finally, do you remember how to say agriculture? Agricultura. Agricultura. Well done! See you next time. Paalam!